My name is Selina and I'm a Junior Client Success Manager here at smec. And today I'm going to tell you more about the Microsoft Audience Network. Let's dive right in. The Microsoft Audience Network, so the Microsoft Programmatic Native Advertising. So first of all, I want to tell you what it's all about. This is a highly personalized ads for your customers with strict publisher standards and AI-powered curation. All this happens in a brand-safe environment, so your customers can see it on Outlook, Microsoft Ads, MSAN, and other certified partners of Microsoft. There, you can engage meaningfully with a unique audience, in the best case with an audience that already knows your business or has research done. This is based on Microsoft first-party intent data. With that, you can boost your performance by generating more clicks and conversions through the Microsoft Audience Intelligence and through reaching the right target audience at the right time with the right message. So what can you do? How can you maximize your performance? First of all, you could combine the Microsoft search and the native strategies. So you can either do search only or native only, but you can also combine it. But what is native only? What is native only about? So for native only, you can have traditional image-based natives, where you can do prospecting via in-marketing audiences or retargeting via remarketing lists. With feed-based product ads, this is the second choice you can get there. You can retarget users with products that they have previously interacted with in your shopping feed. Best case, if you combine search only and native only to search and native, your users get exposed to both Microsoft search ads and Microsoft audience ads. This makes it more likely that they visit the retailer's website compared to those who are only exposed to one type of your ad. What are setups and best practices? So first of all, there are four important steps that you need to follow in the beginning. So first of all, you need to have different campaigns for each audience targeting type you plan to use. Then you need to set your campaign structure that help you test, so you know what works and what doesn't work for your business. Then you can use ad groups to target unique audiences, and please don't forget to customize your ads. So we divided the campaign structure through performance, which are the first 5 campaigns, and then awareness, which are campaigns 6 to 9. Campaign 1 could be a dynamic remarketing campaign to show searchers, to show customers who have already searched, visited your website, to show them the items they have liked. For the feed-based campaigns, to showcase offerings in the feeds. Very important for dynamic remarketing and the feed-based campaign, you need a UAT tag. Then the third campaign is about remarketing to users who have previously engaged with your site. Then we have customer lists, so you can add all customer audiences and customer match lists. Please note this is only available in the US and Canada. For campaign 5, you have relevant in-marketing audiences where you can use relevant in-marketing lists. For example, if you sell Xboxes, you can use a gaming in-market audience. Then, now for campaign 6 in the awareness state, you can use over-indexed in-market audiences. For example, if you're using Xbox again, you can use TV and movies as an in-market audience. The LinkedIn profile targeting is really important if you are a B2B business because you can have LinkedIn profiles across company, industry, and job function. Then you can have similar audiences that are lookalikes to your remarketing lists, and unknown audiences that you might not be able to reach with audience targeting. Now I want to show you really quick what the interface looks like and how you can choose it in Microsoft Ads. So first of all, you choose the campaign type. Of course, here you choose audience network. Then for the targeting setup, here it gets really interesting because you can either use user intent targeting or user profile targeting. For the user intent targeting, you can have remarketing, in-market audiences, and custom audiences. And you can also use profile targeting with demographics, or as previously mentioned, with LinkedIn dimensions, so company, industry, and job function. And last but not least, you can set the audiences. So you can here choose the audience to target through existing remarketing lists, product audiences, custom audiences, or in-market audiences. I hope you enjoyed this talk about the Microsoft Audience Network. Feel free to reach out or visit smarter-ecommerce.com for more insights like this.